사업에 성공하며 젊은 나이에 부자가 된 남자 크리스.
Hi, Chris. How are you doing with all this rain? The reason I'm calling.
Still haven't signed the divorce and alimony papers.
하지만 그는 가정의 소홀해 아내와 이혼을 앞두고 있었고
I should have fought harder to keep us together, Jane.
크리스는 미련이 있었지만 아내는 단호했습니다.
I'm moving on, Chris, and you need to do the same.
그날 저녁 마트에 온 크리스. 그리고 마트에서 한 여성을 만나게 되는데
Hey, do you know anything about wine?
Any special occasion?
Yeah, I had an amazingly shitty.
Well, you can't go wrong with the Nebbiolo. Here it is.
Oh, wow. Thanks. You're a lifesaver. Sky. Oh, shit.
You okay?
My Uber just canceled.
크리스는 스카이를 발에다 주었는데
My roommate, Rooney, Lisa. We had a big fight.
I don't live far from here. Come over to mine. We can hang out.
결국 크리스는 스카이를 자신의 집으로 데려왔죠.
House sitting for your parents?
No, it's mine. Should I let it breathe?
I say pour it. Thank you.
Sudden adventures.
It's a sudden adventure. Chris, what do you do for a living?
I'm sort of retired, actually. Junior year at MIT, I inherited some money. GPS and location-based services. How about you?
I modeled in LA for a couple years. Print and runway. So I came out here on an assignment. Decided to stay. That's why I work as one of those cocktail waitresses. You kind of saved me tonight.
Looney and Lisa.
그렇게 둘은 서로의 매력에 이끌렸고 함께 뜨거운 시간을 보내게 되죠. 다음날 아침 스카이는 떠난 상황이었고
Daddy? I was so worried that I was never going to see you again.
그녀가 떠나자 또다시 공허함에 몰려왔고 그는 스카이가 일하고 있다는 술집을 찾아가죠.
You didn't leave any contact information at my place.
Guess I was hoping a little. I'm glad you wanted to see me. Chris, I'm what they call damaged goods. I lied to you about my family. Truth is, I don't have a family. From the age of 6, I was in and out of foster homes.
크리스에게 마음을 열었는지 속 이야기를 꺼내는 스카이.
I don't like starting with lies.
My childhood wasn't much better. I mean,
서로 깊은 이야기가 오가던 중 누군가 크리스 차에 손을 대고 있었죠.
hey, get away from my car, man.
I'm gonna kill you and I fuck your hot girlfriend.
Wait.
결국 크리스는 다리에 큰 부상을 입었고
The nurse from private care service shows up at 5. Here.
Thanks for bringing me back and hanging around.
I bet I could take better care of you than some hatchet-faced nurse.
So you want to be my nurse? Take care of me.
Willing to have sex with my patient.
In that case, you're hired. Like your stuff.
Okay. Wait, if you're asleep, how do I get back in?
Guess we need the codes.
크리스는 스카이에게 집 비밀번호까지 알려주게 됩니다.
You were happier before.
What?
Before Sky moved in. I'm not just your landlord, I'm your friend.
Oh, Ronald. You're just jealous.
2 weeks behind on the rent again, I'd hate to have to evict you.
이 남성은 스카이가 묵고 있는 집의 주인 로날드였고
Fuck, you're not gonna say anything? Explain where the fuck you were all night?
Lisa, come here. You're right.
심상치 않아 보이는 둘의 관계.
Sky, if you leave me, I'll die.
하지만 스카이는 이제 크리스의 간호에 모든 시간을 쏟게 됩니다.
We could be sleepy. I missed you.
I missed you too.
그리고 크리스는 그런 스카이에게 점점 마음을 열게 되죠.
Sky,
Yeah,
I love you.
I already do.
What are we gonna do?
Live happily ever after.
Lisa, it's Ronald. I needed to talk to you about the rent. Lisa.
그리고 얼마 후 리사는 싸늘한 주검으로 발견되었고
Sweet kid. She was like a daughter. No, she was despond roommate had left her.
로날드는 경찰과의 대화 중 스카이의 신원이 불확실하다는 사실을 듣게 됩니다.
Sky or Scarlet Web in any of our databases.
Hi, Chris. I'm following up on a signature thing.
I had a dumb accident and broke my leg.
I'm so sorry. Would I cheer you up to see Willow? Someone taking care of you.
I hired a private care nurse. Actually, we're doing fine. Talk later.
며칠 후 크리스는 뉴스에서 스카이의 룸메이트가 죽었다는 사실을 듣게 되고
I got fried chicken. You like chicken, right? I don't know about you, but I'm starving.
You see my phone?
I'm sure it's around here somewhere.
Can I use your phone?
Sure, after we eat.
Chris, what's wrong?
Sky, I saw something. It's your roommate. Lisa, she died.
하지만 전혀 놀라지 않는 스카이.
Because I'm the one who killed her.
You killed her?
Had to. Lisa wasn't a bad roommate. I mean, she wasn't even a bad love. But she had the apartment. The perfect place to walk to you from. I know everything that happens around here. When and where you do your groceries. Where to accidentally bump into.
Some sort of con job.
Now you're catching on.
Get the fuck out of my house!
하지만 집의 모든 통제권은 이미 스카이에게 있었고
honeymoon's over.
그 시각 로날드는 스카이가 머물던 방에서 수상한 흔적을 발견하죠.
Should be worth a few bucks.
Down to business.
Because you're rich and you have things I want.
You think I'm gonna help you steal my life?
The tour child at the hardware store. I need all your passwords and security codes.
크리스를 고문하며 그의 재산을 뺏으려 하는 스카이.
Morning, sunshine.
Didn't want to hurt you last night. I'm gonna need your fullest cooperation.
Fund my new company, Sky Co. I'm gonna give you that one.
이번엔 크리스의 가족으로 협박하는 스카이.
Please don't hurt them. Please don't hurt them.
5 is the cutest age.
How's the knee, dude?
알고 보니 크리스의 무릎을 다치게 한 자도 스카이와 한패였고, 스카이가 떠나자 빈집을 노리는 로날드.
You know, I always wonder what one of these places was like. And well, now I know. I always knew she was some kind of scammer. You know,
로날드 또한 크리스를 도와줄 생각은 없어 보였고,
3.5 million bucks in cash.
She's a fucking killer! Call the police! She might already know you're here! Money. Money. You want money? Yeah, you want? Just get this fucking tape off me and call the police.
Who is that? What's that worth?
6 or 7.
And now I'll get the tape off you. Looks like she did a pretty fucking good job.
그 순간 스카이가 다시 돌아왔죠.
What's that?
She's back.
로날드가 칼로 협박해보지만 전혀 먹히지 않았고,
And I'm not gonna tell anyone. You just let me go.
Hey! Hey!
Watch a little TV while I show a guest around. Ronald?
스카이가 로날드를 쫓는 사이 몰래 탈출에 성공한 크리스.
Hi there.
I won't tell her so.
Jesus Christ! You okay?
There's a woman trying to kill me.
What?
We have to get out of here right now.
I got you, pal. You're safe. Hey, look, man. There's no woman. You're safe. I'm gonna get you out of here.
그런데 차가 향하는 곳은 다시 크리스의 집이었고,
You should have seen the look on your face. It was priceless.
세바스찬은 스카이에게 사기를 알려준 스승과도 같은 존재였죠.
I am Sky's stepfather. When she was 14, I married her mother. So ever since then, it's been me and Sky. You know, even then, she was special. So I nurtured her. And I trained her in the fine art of deception.
I just brought out the girl's true nature, and trust me, Sky, only guys like you. You and Sky are thieves. You're just fucking killers.
Honestly, I'll be sorry to leave this place. Like living in an alternative universe.
You could have had it all. I would have given it to you. I loved you, Sky.
That's all it is, Chris. A dream.
스카이의 욕심은 끝을 몰랐습니다.
You've taken everything.
Except for those whereabouts at a safe deposit box at the main branch of American Bank.
Did you really think I didn't know?
That's why you haven't killed me yet. You can't get into the vault without my thumb. I'm not coming with you. No, you're not.
크리스의 손가락까지 뺏어버리는 이들. 다음날 전에 잡아둔 약속으로 크리스의 가족들이 이 집에 방문했는데, 아내는 이상함을 눈치챘지만
Willa said, come here right now.
What I found. Just too scrumptious. I'm right to see you
Yeah,
up.
where is Chris?
He's sleeping.
No hug for daddy?
Who are you people? Where's Chris?
스카이네 가족들도 크리스와 함께 가둬버렸고, 무기명 채권까지 뺏기 위해 은행으로 향할 준비를 하죠.
It's so quiet.
크리스는 환풍구가 눈에 들어왔고,
Not big enough for one of us, but
I could do it.
okay, baby. We have to get out of here.
I'm the vault officer, Austin Briggs.
Sorry.
You're going to get us out of here, and then we're going to get some ice cream again.
Okay. It's the panel next to the door. You're so brave and strong and smart.
We'll just need your thumbprint, Mr. Decker.
Of course.
It's not reading the heat signature.
Made my hands cold from the cast. Wait, there you go. There you go.
Okay. I'll be outside.
The bearer bonds,
What?
they aren't there.
하지만 이혼 준비 과정에서 아내가 채권을 다른 곳으로 옮겨둔 상태였고
Where are they now?
Still at the bank. I just put them in another box.
Fucking boyfriend, fuck this. Fucking kid is loose.
잠시 후 집에 도착한 스카이와 세바스찬.
We find the wife. We get the bonds. Motherfucker.
Where's Jamie?
Shoot him! What are you waiting for? Shoot him!
갑자기 세바스찬을 쏴버린 스카이.
You want the fucking key?
Chris, time to kiss and make up.
아내까지 당하고 위기의 순간 딸이 스카이를 처리하며 상황이 마무리됩니다.
Margaret, my real name.
그렇게 스카이의 최후를 끝으로 영화는 끝이 납니다. 청소부 뒤로 건물에서 사람이 떨어지고 이번 사건을 조사하게 된 보호된 영사.
Definitely a jumper. Got a rosary in his hand. Your guy jumped from that building. These things are made to bounce trucks off. Let's walk it. Yeah.
그리고 이 건물 안에서 엘리베이터에 탑승하는 사람들.
Hold, please. Thank you.
You hold that?
I'm sorry.
총 5명의 사람이 탑승합니다. 그 순간 갑자기 엘리베이터가 고장났고
Why is elevator 6 in inspection mode?
Oh, full house. 2 queens, 3 jacks. Yo, Dwight, you got a problem. It says 6 is on inspection mode. We got people stuck in there. Check it out, okay? On my way.
갇힌 엘리베이터에는 경비원이 있어 그에게 질문이 쏟아지는데
You have emergency procedures? How'd you keep up your equipment? Do you think it would have been good?
Don't you shut up?
Yeah, take it easy.
Hang tough. We got the building engineer on his way.
Your building sucks!
I gotta be somewhere.
한편 보호대는 과거 뺑소니 사고로 아내와 아들을 잃었었고
It seems like just yesterday since
Not to me, it doesn't. You wouldn't happen to have a broken window up there, would you?
Yeah.
I'm declaring this a crime scene.
그 순간 위에서 거대한 유리가 떨어지죠. 다행히 아무도 다치지 않았고 그 시각 엘리베이터를 수리 중이었는데
Say inspection mode here. Circuits look fine.
원인을 알 수가 없는 상황이었죠.
People, we're gonna flip off the lights for 1 sec just to see if there's a short in the way.
Get off me! Get off me!
When I was younger, my brother locked me in the trunk for 6
경비원은 폐쇄공포증이 있었고
Let me go check the mains in the basement. What's going on?
Looks like somebody might have jumped through it.
Today?
Yeah.
They're gonna take.
When we get out of here, you're gonna need a good rest.
Mattress mania.
이 남자는 영업사원이었죠.
Point is, a new mattress will cost a lot less than you.
Did you just touch my ass?
You wish, sweetheart.
그 순간 또다시 불이 깜빡거리는데
Power number 6 again. Is that you?
여전히 원인을 찾을 수 없었던 정비공은 옥상으로 향하죠. 경비원은 순간 알 수 없는 무언가를 목격했고
Right.
I think someone pulled my blouse. I think I got cut.
What in the world?
Wait, does anybody have anything sharp on him?
Why you got blood on you, man?
She fell into me.
악화되는 상황 속 이제는 서로를 믿을 수 없게 되었죠.
Mind if we search your pockets?
Jeez, bro, take it easy, okay? Can you turn towards the camera and show us what happened to you, please?
My God.
Okay, we gotta call the police.
240 at 333 Locust Street. Two responding happened to be right outside. Put me on it.
신고를 받고 그곳으로 향하는 보호된
I thought I saw something.
What do you mean? Like what?
You see it?
Yeah, look, that's just...
Esto es algo malo.
We need to convey calm. These people are relying on us, okay? So stop this shit right now.
무언가 불안해 보이는 경비원.
You seem to be having words with one of the other passengers. Just we can talk, but we can't hear.
We're working hard to get you out of there. Shouldn't be much longer.
경비원은 보호된에게 알 수 없는 무언가를 받다 말하려 하지만
about the face.
No, look, Ramirez is kind of religious. Just
One at a time, I'd like you to hold up your driver's license to the camera so I
이는 저지당하고 이어 신분증 검사가 진행되었죠.
put your IDs away. Thanks. I want you to account for everyone on the visitors log. Find out.
그때 또다시 불빛이 깜빡거렸고
Must be working on the power again.
잠시 후 불이 켜지니 영업사원이 목숨을 잃은 상태였습니다.
Something else is happening.
602, we have a possible 187. I need backup.
Today, someone committed suicide. A woman got hurt. Now a man is dead. When he's near, everything goes wrong.
Please do not want to hear this stuff, Ramirez, okay? So just stop now.
Where I come from, we call it the devil's meeting. You must consider that one of those people might be the devil.
All right.
그러나 그의 말을 대수롭지 않게 여겼고
Then how did What's that cop doing out there?
Probably trying to figure out which one of us is the murderer.
이 말에 엘리베이터에는 정적이 흘렀죠.
Don't touch the body. This is a crime scene now. A shard of glass sliced up and into the jugular. It's not an accident. These people are shook up, but they don't look murderous. I need a volunteer to help me out.
보호대는 영업사원에게 있는 서류를 꺼내달라 부탁했고
Return addresses for the Better Business Bureau. They have an office on 35.
이번엔 자살 현장으로 향하는데 그곳엔 뜻을 알 수 없는 요소가 있었죠.
It ends with, I can hear the devil's footsteps drawing here. It's strange, isn't it?
이어 영업사원에 대한 정보를 조사해 보는데
Guy was a real scumbag.
Kim lost a lot of people a lot of money.
그는 생전에 원한을 산 사람들이 매우 많았고
I see.
That's what you're talking about? An apology note left at the site of a hit and run. So no, I don't believe in the devil. We don't need him.
그런데 조사해보니 노인은 도둑, 경비원은 깡패로 전과가
So
있었고
Vince was a scam artist. This woman Jane's a thief. Quite the crew we have here. Names aren't accounted for. Find me footage of this guy.
남은 한 남자의 신원도 조사해보는데
There he is. Stop it. Where's that satchel? He doesn't. There's no satchel in the elevator.
그 순간 또다시 암전이 시작되었고
Oh no.
Come near me, any of you.
이번엔 노인이 목을 맨 채 죽어 있었습니다.
Shut down the building. 3 people in there. They're all capable.
They're bad people, that's why they're here. He never does this in secret. There's a reason we're the audience.
No, don't touch him.
Not gonna leave her, just hang it.
보호대는 남성이 사라진 가방을 찾았고
Restroom.
Yep. Got it.
Could those be used to rig an elevator? Dios te salve María. Llena eres de gracia.
이제 남은 사람들 사이에서는 큰 긴장감이 흘렀죠.
So where'd your claustrophobia go? I've never seen claustrophobia come and go.
It's nothing she did, so that leaves you. Yeah, I'm saying I think you're alive.
Back away from each other now! Get off! And place your hands on the wall so everyone... Go ahead. Do it! How would this story of yours end?
They all die. This is not your fault. They made the choices that brought them here.
She has a criminal record too. 3 counts of blackmailing rich married men.
알고 보니 여자 또한 악한 짓을 저질렀었고
I was going to see a lawyer on 42 named Wayne Kazan.
Hey, listen up! Quiet down! I'm looking for a Wayne Kazan. Is a meeting today with a Sarah Caraway? She was attacked. Who has motive to hurt her?
보호대는 사라의 남편이 용의자라는 걸 듣게 되죠.
Markowitz, get Mrs. Caraway's husband on the phone.
Sarah Caraway's husband won't talk to us. He lawyered up.
Caraway's husband doesn't own Caraway Security, does he? Sniper all over again. Guard works for the woman's husband.
Guard is gonna kill her.
Hold it next to me. I'll keep you safe.
Don't let it go dark in there. Keep the light on each other. Keep shining.
하지만 불이 켜지니 예상과 달리 경비가 죽었고
Oh my God, it is you.
Can't hear you. You don't have to pretend anymore.
이제 둘 사이에는 조금의 신뢰도 존재할 수가 없었죠.
Kill you right now before you try anything else.
That's what he does. He wants us to doubt everything.
According to your story, how would I save them?
I mean, you're never gonna get these people. It's the lies that we tell ourselves.
Look at what you're doing. 6 months ago, checked into a hotel and I nearly drank myself to death. Looks like it's the world's fault. Like you.
My only way out of hell was to take responsibility for what I had become.
Responsibility for what you're doing.
Put down the glass.
We found a woman who thinks she knows someone in the elevator.
그 순간 또다시 암전이 시작되었고 이번엔 여성이 쓰러져 있었습니다.
You know him?
He's my fiance. He had a job interview here today.
알고 보니 남자 또한 의도적인 살인 계획을 가지지 않았고
It's her.
Are you ready for your turn, Anthony?
그 순간 5년 전 사건에 대해 떠올리는 남자. 그는 음주운전으로 교통사고를 냈었고 한 여성과 아이를 죽이게 되었는데 겁에 질린 그는 그대로 도망쳐버리고 말았습니다.
The whores, the liars, the cheats, and the deserters.
Take me.
I intend to.
No, take me. You should never have left. It's my fault. It's all my fault.
You
I
think-
killed a mother and her son on Bethlehem Pike 5 years ago.
I really wanted to.
그리고 이제서야 엘리베이터는 구조되었고 이미 노인은 사라져 있었습니다. 그리고 자신의 가족을 살해한 범인과 마주한 보우덴.
I'll take him in. That was my family on Bethlehem Pike. That was my son. I've been waiting for this moment for 5 years. The thing is, I forgive you.
그는 이미 뺑소니 사건의 범인을 용서했었죠.
My mother would tell me a story about how the devil roams the earth. The ones he chose would be gathered together and tortured as he hid among us. I always believed my mother was telling me an old wives' tale. After my mother would finish her story, she would always comfort us. If the devil is real, then God must be real too.
취업을 준비하며 열심히 살고 있는 여대생 소여.
Wanted to confirm your interview this week
그녀에게 기업에서 면접을 보겠다는 연락이 왔고
at our offices in DC. Safe travel.
면접날 그녀는 면접 장소로 향하게 됩니다.
Create a little bit of chaos here, but that's holiday traffic for you.
Only on 1270 WLUN.
그런데 내비를 따라가던 중 폐쇄된 도로가 나왔고
Right turn.
It's not even a road.
소연은 이곳에서 길을 잃고 말았죠.
Doesn't make any sense. Just reroute me.
소연은 지도를 꺼내 들었고 지도로 길을 찾고 있던 중에 다른 사람의 차가 이곳에 나타납니다.
You need some help there, miss?
And your map.
Yeah, we seen you up here and thought maybe you was having some
These
service.
woods, they can be a crazy place, especially if you ain't familiar. We live here our whole lives, so we can get you most anywhere.
적극적으로 그녀를 돕겠다는 남자.
You'll make yourself back to the highway, okay?
친절하게 길을 다 알려주더니
And we live just up a way, so how about you come on over for some...
Thanks, but I really should be getting going. Listen, no offense, but you're starting to make me feel very uncomfortable right now.
그녀의 거절에도 남자는 집요하게 요구했고
Come on, it's all right.
엉덩이까지 만지며 힘으로 소유를 제압하려 했습니다.
It's getting away!
다행히 도망치는 데 성공한 소연. 무사히 따돌리는 데 성공합니다.
It's gonna be fine.
그렇게 그녀는 이 숲에서 고립되었죠. 다행히 그녀의 차가 유기 차량으로 보안관에게 신고되었고
This is O'Doyle.
250 County Road.
So you say it's up on 250, huh?
하지만 별다른 정보를 찾을 수가 없었죠.
Hey! Hey! Over here!
그녀의 목소리는 닿지 않았고
Well, dang it. At the bend, down by Rust Creek.
If we seen something, I'd tell you. But the plain fact is we...
Easy, Sheriff.
You're a bit jumpy. Quick draw.
Oh, you bleeding right there.
It's just a scratch.
We ain't been up there in days. All right, well, I tried.
한편 다리의 부상이 심했던 소연은 이동할 수도 없었고
What is see the car? I'll find me here.
하지만 남자들은 소유의 차를 유기해버리죠.
Let's go check it out. Holy shit! Oh, shit. Now all we gotta do is find
When they find a body, we're gonna have O'Doyle and the Stadies up our asses, Buck.
Come on, we'll start at the creek.
Work our way back down the road.
남자들은 소요를 찾는 것을 포기하지 않았고 그들이 떠나고 소요는 조심스럽게 차에 접근합니다. 이곳에서 자신의 폰을 찾았고
Ain't even dry.
다행히 따돌리는 데는 성공하지만 통신망은 잡히지 않았고 핸드폰의 배터리는 나가버렸죠. 설상가상 이제는 체력의 한계에 다다른 그녀. 결국 그대로 쓰러지고 말았습니다. 그대로 기절해버린 소여.
Who the fuck are you?
Put that down. Oh, no.
I'm serious, motherfucker!
하지만 기력이 다해 또다시 쓰러진 소여.
What was that all about?
Oh, just sheriff stuff.
Just curious, you know, did they have an alibi?
닉은 오도일에게 유기 차량 사건에 관해 물었고
It's backed up till early October.
But that SUV thing, I mean, doesn't that seem odd to you?
Are you second guessing me, son?
No, sir, but...
And I think it ought to be enough. Mind your place. Mysterious SUV moved along sometime yesterday.
Eat this. Knock it off. You lost blood. You need to eat. Suit yourself.
What's your name? I'm Sawyer. Sawyer Scott.
Shut up and eat.
I was on my way to DC for this big job interview. These two guys jumped me. I'm sure my friends are worried about me. And my parents?
Quiet.
그때 소유를 공격한 남성들의 차량이 이곳에 나타나는데
Keep quiet or I can't help you.
There he is.
What happened here?
Oh, just some horseplay. So how'd the last batch go?
No problems. I'm getting low on pseudo.
Burned through that shit pretty fast, didn't you? Seems some girl went missing up here a couple days.
I ain't seen no girl.
Good. You mind if we take a look around? No? How many times me and Buck been up here since we got this trailer set up? What's the first thing that we do?
Go in, have a beer.
In the middle of the fucking rain? Like you're some kind of goddamn...
화학물질을 이용해 밧줄을 풀려하는 소여.
You got something to say?
I think I'm saying it. Now how about we go on inside and have a look?
결국 안을 조사하는 남성들.
She ain't in there.
하지만 소여는 이미 탈출한 뒤였고
Be here. Better me than them.
그녀는 다시 로엘에게 이끌려갔죠. 그리고 소유의 차량 사건은 경찰까지 개입되었고
Penny from dispatch wanted me to follow up on an abandoned
It
vehicle.
was registered to a couple over in Paducah, but they gave it to their daughter. The driver's name is Sawyer Scott.
When's the last time she was seen?
Monday morning. She said that the girl's not answering her phone.
Jesus Christ, O'Doyle. But you better get a line on this girl soon.
We got a picture of this missing girl.
What is that stuff?
Lie.
로엘은 이곳에서 약을 만들어 판매 중이었고
I've been cooking meth since I was 14 years old.
If you let me go, I won't tell them anything. Just let me
You're
go.
5 miles from the nearest road. You wouldn't make it 100 yards to shape your...
Can't keep me here forever.
I said quit it. You want to try your luck out in them woods? Go on. Hollister and Buck going into Charleston this weekend.
그들이 없을 때 차를 빌려오겠다 말하죠. 한편 닉은 오도일의 수사관 통화를 듣게 되고
Long enough to regret it.
Hey, Nick. You know, hearing maybe half that conversation be misconstrued.
Just sit down and talk about this. I can hear you just fine from over here.
Easy now.
You'll have your chance to explain.
You don't have to be like this, Nick.
You're gonna have to answer for it.
긴장한 닉은 차키를 떨어뜨렸고 오도일은 닉을 살해해버렸죠. 그는 사실 두 남자의 뒤를 봐주며 남몰래 약을 유통하고 있었습니다.
Bury him deep. Kick some dirt on him. You got it? But we still gotta find her. I'm sure that Nick is fine. I will call you as soon as I know something. I promise. Okay. My deputy is MIA. He left here yesterday afternoon. Nobody's seen him since. I mean.
오도일은 소요 사건의 범인을 닉으로 몰아갔고
The hell? Oh, man. Well, I'll be goddamn. do believe that Deputy Katz is involved in Scott's disappearance. We're going to extend our search west until we find him.
오도일은 이어 로엘의 집으로 향했고
And if there's trouble, run.
Hey there, son. I just thought I'd come up here to check on you.
I just don't like nobody disturbing my cook's all.
I got a lot invested in this here. I'm the chief. You're the Indian. So why don't you just set that gun down and make... Don't kid yourself. You just mind you get this cook done right.
Is that your boss?
He's the worst kind of snake there is.
다음날 이번엔 두 남자가 약을 받으러 왔고
It's nice to see you two.
Hi, hello, Al.
We'll be back tomorrow with your cut.
다른 신발 자국을 보고 로엘을 의심하죠.
I'll go pick up the truck around noon and drop you off at the Staple. I'll be cleared out of here by dark. It's time.
You. Oh. No. Now you just hold on there. So this little lady is just gonna have to come with us.
Take a seat, Holly. Make time. Soy, honey, you mind heating me up a cup of that coffee? Just fetch the coffee. I know what has to get done. In my time.
소연은 커피를 데우는 척 화합물질을 준비했고
That's it, baby. Now get over here and sit on my knee.
Some things to teach me, boy.
There's something wrong.
순식간에 집은 완전히 불타버렸죠.
Come on!
I can't. You remember Bishop's Road? Run! Easy there.
What does it matter?
Sure.
That fucking low.
Through them woods. Headed towards Bishop's Road.
이어 동업자였던 남자까지 처리해버리는 오도일. 그런데 소여가 탄 차는 오도일의 차량이었고
I think we're gonna walk the rest of the way.
강가로 유인해 그녀를 조용히 처리하고자 했죠.
Just go on down a little further there, down by the water. They called this Rust Creek. Turn the water red.
You don't have to do this.
In the water.
하지만 오히려 당해버린 것은 오도일이었고 그렇게 영화는 마무리됩니다.